Don't deny the Lord, for He is God. Love the Lord. Ask the Lord for mercy, for forgiveness. Ask the Lord to hold on to you always, because I can't hold on to Him always. I'm weak. I'm a sinner. Sometimes I grab Him, and so many times I let go of Him because of my weaknesses, because of my foolishnesses, because of my stubbornness, because of my ignorance. But Lord, You are the source of wisdom. You are the Holy of Holies. You are the light of the world. You are the I am that never changes. Hold on to me, Lord. Whenever I fail, You never do. Whenever I walk away, You never do. Lord, keep me with You, because I can't do it without You. Amen.